Ever wondered how a data breach could turn your life upside down? Imagine waking up one day to discover that your personal and financial information is in the hands of individuals with malicious intent. That's the harsh reality for millions of people worldwide who have fallen victim to data breaches. Take, for instance, the massive Yahoo data breach of 2016, where over 3 billion user accounts were compromised, or the Equifax breach of 2017 that affected 147 million people. These incidents highlight the devastating impacts of data breaches and underline the crucial importance of protecting your personal information in our increasingly digital world. So how can you shield your identity from such threats? The answer lies in leveraging advanced monitoring and protection. By using state-of-the-art monitoring services, you can keep a vigilant watch over your sensitive information. These services alert you of any suspicious activity linked to your personal data, allowing you to take swift action. Furthermore, investing in advanced protection tools can offer an extra layer of security for your data. These tools employ cutting-edge technology to encrypt your information, making it unreadable to potential hackers. Take the step today to protect your identity. Don't wait until it's too late. Leverage the power of advanced monitoring and protection to stay one step ahead of data breaches. Arm yourself with the knowledge and tools needed to effectively safeguard your personal information. Remember, in the realm of data security, prevention is better than cure. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay secure. Your identity is precious. Protect it with all you have. Watch now to learn more about how you can secure your future in this digital age. In this educational video, we explore the growing concern of data breaches and provide you with crucial insights on how to stay one step ahead. Our objective is to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to protect your identity effectively. With the recent rise in data breaches, being proactive in protecting your personal information is key. We highlight several real-world examples to illustrate the potential consequences of data breaches and stress the importance of preparing beforehand. One of the most effective methods to safeguard yourself against identity theft is by leveraging advanced monitoring and protection. We discuss the benefits of using such services and explain how they can offer an added layer of security for your sensitive data. By incorporating cutting-edge monitoring solutions, you gain the ability to detect any suspicious activity promptly. These tools not only offer peace of mind but also empower you to act quickly if your information is compromised. Don't let a data breach catch you off guard. Stay one step ahead by making informed decisions and taking the necessary precautions. Invest in advanced monitoring and protection to protect your identity from potential threats. Join us in this eye-opening video as we guide you towards a safer digital future. Remember, knowledge is power. Watch now to learn how to secure your identity and personal information effectively.